Welcome back. So, this is another video on using cloud AI to make content more engaging. So, let's say you just created a post and you are like confused. You're confused about your post that were it or not. Is this engaging? Is this something which is I put it out? So, this is important to understand. You can use cloud AI in order to check how is your content that basically is, and how you can actually make it more engaging. So let me show you how you can do this. So just come to the canva.com. This is basically a designing website where you can create some type of post. So just search carousels or any kind of post you would want to. Let's say you're just creating videos or websites or whiteboards or presentations. Could be anything. I'm just right now, for example, I'm using LinkedIn carousels. So just open up, and this is one of the template. What you need is you need to, let's say, I just created this template, right? And you are just, you just created this template for yourself or for your brand. So right now what you need to do is you need to download this whole file. Click on download PNG. You can choose PNG or PDF. Because I'm choosing, 4 or 5 pages, so let me just download the full 5 pages. But you can also, just download a single page or using pages. In here, you just check the option of like just select one page or this page. I'm choosing a whole file because I would want to know that what could be more engaging in this, and how can I make more engaging this using this tool, which is like we have cloud.ai. This is basically a paid tool, but it is also a free tool. You can see upload a file, take a screenshot, add from GitHub. So let's see untitled design PDF. So just let me choose the file. I hope this free plan works, but so from here you have to just choose the file, and then write a prompt of like I cannot press S because when I press the recording will be gone. So check this document and make this again current press S again, sorry, make this more engaging and catchy, or suggest me, or suggest again. I cannot press S. This is so frustrating when you cannot do. So let you find S from here because I cannot press again. I would say I cannot press S because my recording will be. So yes, copy the S from here, or suggest SUGGESOG. Why this is not? This is so frustrating. And suggest me, and suggest me, check this document and make this more engaging and catchy, and suggest to me, uh, how can I make this more take party? How can I make this? So not putting L because I hope this pool will understand, what I'm trying to say. So looking at your personal branding guide, I can see it has good foundation content, but could definitely be more engaging and click-worthy. Here are some suggestions to make it more compelling. So here you can see, some of the issues there. This tool is giving us that generic, predictable advice and feels like every other branding guide. So this is, so generic, and the content itself is like this story is saying that, the content is not good. Blend heading that don't create urgency and curiosity. So these are the two things which is very important, when you are focusing on headlines, because headline is something which is grabbing the attention of a user. So it could be urgent, it could it could, enhance the curiosity of a user. No emotions hook or specific benefit, missing social proof or credibility element, doesn't address pain point military face. So this is very, very amazing issues which this tool, found. And also this tool is also suggesting that, instead of know who you are, the 5 minutes self-discovery exercise that change, this tool is also providing you these suggestions that, instead of using this, you can add this. Instead of using this, you can add this. This is so cool, so powerful, right? So this is, how you can create content using these tools, which is like so interesting and so good. I personally use these old tools in order to create my own content and for my businesses or for, for clients. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, and, using cloud AI to make content more engaging. So if you're somebody who's like, oh, I just created this content and I would want to know, but is this good? Is this good? Is this, good content? Is this not? So you can also, you can use chat models. Different There are a lot of different chat models you can use. You can also use ChatGPT. You can use DeepSeek. I hope this helps. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments, or if you like this video, do share it with your friends or give it a like, or do comment if you have any question. So see you in the next video.